Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So what you have to do first is to remove this case. Next you have to find card slot here. Take this kind of tool and then just put it in this hole here, and the slot will come out, I guess. Oh. Just pull it out and then put your memory card here and put your SIM card here, and just like this put it back into your device. And as you can see, it requires PIN to unlock my SIM card. I don't know what is this PIN, but this screen is the proof of that this device reads my SIM card and my SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.